For me, reflective thinking is about kind of self-awareness, and it required me to pay a lot more attention to what makes me happy and how I can get the most out of my time at university. And I sort of quickly realised it was going to be really relevant to my course because it was relevant to my personal well-being. And reflective thinking kind of helped me realise that the educational side of university was just one element within my whole university experience. And ultimately it was an experience that I had control over, that I could use to create a timeline for my daily life and to ultimately be happy with it.
For me, I've been trying to get into a routine since my first year. Routine's quite important. When you sleep, when you wake up, how much time you're dedicating to your studies and how much time you're dedicating to yourself, how much time you're dedicating to your friends and family. These are kind of things you need to keep in mind, because university is a time where you kind of get lost as well, and it kind of all feels a bit too much, all stressful and quite anxiety ridden.
Over the course of 4 years now at university, there have been times where I haven't performed to where I wanted to, and if you don't think about that in a sort of positive learning sense, then I think you get really stuck in the past. And I think having that moment where I look back on what I didn't do as well as I hoped, or what I did just sort of against my own core beliefs, it's given me the opportunity to develop a more true character going forwards, not only academically, performing how I want to, and as I said, focusing on what I want to, but also, personally, living a more community-based lifestyle within university has been something I have learnt and always thought I would naturally do, but it doesn't happen like that.
Motivation starts high in the beginning of the year, and then it kind of slows down and it probably drops here and there, and you kind of question what's happening. So kind of getting back on track becomes quite difficult. Realizing and kind of looking back and seeing that you're putting the work. The results might not be coming in now, but it's going to pay off, and it's just finding that time off, that break, to kind of realize you can do some other things that are fun, join some societies, get a bit of a break from your course for a while, and then come back to it, and that kind of rejuvenates. You kind of miss studying the subject you really wanted to do.